awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel. Ana Esmeralda here, and today we're up for another video. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung conditioner plus suka, as we call it, CONSUKA. I know a lot of people na ang nag-try nito at gumamit nito. This is how it looks like after gamitin yung CONSUKA. So if you're interested on how it works, make sure first to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to keep you updated. So if you're ready, let's go now to the video. Okay, so first thing that you need is that you should have a vinegar. So eto yung akin. You can also use dato puti, some gumagamit ng apple cider vinegar, but for me, eto na lang. SM Bonus Natural Vinegar. And conditioner, I have this from L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair Conditioner. Duckbill clips and comb, a Tupperware or lalagyan mo ng ating conditioner. Measuring spoon, this is 1 tablespoon. Need a grocery bag or plastic bag para as an alternative sa ating shower cap kasi wala akong shower cap. So, let's start now, guys. 3 tablespoons ng conditioner. You can also use sachet. It's either 2 to 3 sachets ng conditioner, depende sa thickness ng hair mo or sa length ng hair mo. As for me, pwede akong gumamit ng 3 conditioner. Then, let's go na sa suka. Maglalagay ako ng 2 spoon ng suka. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. With the same measuring spoon, maglalagay ako two. Then, mix mo na lang. So, eto na yung mixture ng ating CONSUKA, conditioner plus suka. So, ilalagay ko na sa aking hair. Kasi yung aking hair is dry talaga. Many times na akong nagpa-color ng hair. So, pabalik-balik. I've tried bleaching my hair. Tinry ko na rin ibalik sa black. So, parang na-damage na. So, I badly needed this CONSUKA. Kasi very famous sa treatment na ito. I know marami nang nakatry nito. So, gusto ko nang itry sa akin. And if you have also dry hair or frizzy hair, marami kang split ends, try natin. Okay, so wala. Okay, so magsa-start na tayo. First na gagawin mo is section mo na lang yung hair mo into 2. Ito na yung ating treatment. Gagamitin ko na lang yung kamay ko, guys, kasi wala na akong gloves. Saan pa ba tayo kukuha ng gloves? Nagkukulang na nga yung PPE ng mga health workers natin eh. So, gagamitin mo na yung kamay mo, magugas ka na lang after. So, yes, spread it. Sa inner part ng hair ko, hindi siya masyadong dry because hindi siya naiinitan. Unlike sa outer part ng hair ko, makikita niyo mamaya. May mga uneven na may uneven hair color sa aking hair. Hindi ko alam, baka nag-wash off na yung black. Baka nag-wash off na yung black hair color. By the way, guys, ilalagay nyo yung treatment sa dry hair. Dito muna ako sa left side. Manipis lang yung hair ko, kaya madali lang i-treat. Hindi ka talaga ganun mahihirapan. But mahaba siya. pa siya dry. Pero mafe-feel ko na parang nagsusoft yung hair ko. Ay, pagpasensyahan nyo na guys yung background kasi ang daming naglalabay. Daming kumaano. Ano ganing galabay sa Tagalog, ha? Maraming there's a lot of vehicles that are passing by. Maraming dumadaan pala. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi nang iligay nun yung first language. Tapos yung Tagalog second lang. Tapos nahihirapan pa ako. Then, third na yung English. Eto na guys. So, may natira pang treatment. So, ubusin ko na lang sa aking hair. Basang-basa na yung hair ko. Parang naninimaho. Naninimaho? Ano na gani? Gapanimaho? Nangangamoy. Naninimaho? Parang nangangamoy na yung kwarto. So after you're done applying the treatment on your hair, we can now use this one, the shower cap. Improvise na lang guys. Before quarantine, nag-hoard kayo. So marami kayong plastic. So pwede nyo yung gamitin yun. I-soak na lang natin for 30 minutes. So, lovies, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done soaking it for 30 minutes. I'll just rinse it off. Medyo nabasa yung t-shirt ko. So, okay lang. If you have blower, you can blow dry your hair. So, yeah, ipa-blow dry ko na lang yung hair ko. So, I have my blower here para mabilis yung pag-dry. After blow drying my hair, ito na yung kalalabasan ng conditioner plus Suka. So, as for me, effective talaga guys because I feel like parang sobrang smooth yung hair ko and parang, alam mo yun, parang bagong rebond ka. Kahit hindi naman ako nakapag-rebond. I just like its result. It's very soft guys. I don't know if makikita niyo sa camera yung difference before and after. Pero ang ganda siya guys. Parang sobrang smooth talaga. Especially dito sa inner. So, kung nagandahan kayo sa result ng conditioner plus Suka or CONSUKA, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sana nagustuhan yung video na to at makikita mo talaga yung difference na before and after. So, yeah, that's all for my video today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below your suggestions on what videos should I make. Thank you so much, lovies!